Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be playing Gate 18 by Train Dorman, the verified version. So let's get started. So the point of this game is we're going to be eaten by that guy over there. The point it's pointing now. Where should we get eaten? Let's get eaten, shall we? Let's get eaten by the car. Yeah, wee. That's nice. They built a little slide over there, over here. Oh, I guess this is the point of the game. You just get eaten, and you get points in getting and get eaten. I guess. So let's jump in the toilet. Let's go. This ride is chicken, fried chicken, I guess. Oh, okay. This fried chicken is looking nice. It's big too. Let's go to this branded toilet paper. Let's get eaten. Okay. It's nice actually to slide down this and before you get eaten. After you get eaten. So it's nice. Let's try another. What is this? What is level 2 right here? Let's jump off. Unlock. Okay. Is this a parkour thing? No. This is from Futurama. Where they time travel. Let's go to 2013. Oh, oh! I shouldn't have done that. So it's fine. We can go back, I guess, to 2019. No, this is not the time we're in. This is not the present. Let's go. Let's leave. Alright. Let's be a let's ride this bubblegum thing. Let's get sliding. He went that way. And I went this way. Oof. I just fell off. That's sad. That's fine. Let's be a pie. Crisp pie. So big. So big. People are not. Oh, he just died over there. Anyways. Oof. His car got stuck. Alright. We're being popped out. So let's get rid of this performance stuff right here. Let's ride a grapes. This giant cheese. Let's ride this giant cheese. Alright. Okay. We'll just keep doing this and until we get a lot of points, I guess. And oh shit. Oh, I mean shit. Should I grab this? Why is this? Why is this a feature? That's fine. goodness. I kept slipping off. I kept falling. Let's be a chicken, fried chicken, I guess. So we don't fall off anymore. Let's slow down. Hope I can slow down. Alright. We're being eaten. Oh, the fried chicken bug. He threw us up. Oh my goodness. I can't get points like this. Let's be a hot dog. I think it will be nice. I won't throw us up. Move, dude. Okay. This is nice. Okay. 2 XP. It's a little bit. It's a little. You get little XP from that. Okay, we got to the next level. Let's ride this bubblegum here. You got onto me, bro. Let's unlock this. Bison. What is bison? I don't know what that means. It's fine. Okay. Oh, I might fall off. He eating us. I got eaten. Oof. I got yeeted. Let me throw off for a bit. I'm not really talkative right now, bro. I'm just bored playing this game. All you do is here get eaten, like it's boring. Alright, it's fine. I got this lap for you guys. We got 70. Let's use a car. This car right here. This pink R6 car. Ooh, crap. I fell off. That's stupid. Let's try that again. You slow down for somewhere. Let's slow down. Okay. We're doing good. We're doing good so far. Oof, I almost fell off there. Okay, we're good. Let's get eating. Let's go. Let's get out of here. He's gonna fart us out. So I guess that's it. If you enjoyed this video, just leave a like or subscribe. I know it's boring, but I got more videos tomorrow for you guys. So this is it. See ya.